Hi guys, Vincent Loo here. How you guys doing? And we are back again with another Bitcoin's weekly update. As you can see over here, Bitcoin's monthly return is already in the positive. Look at this, guys. This is the Bitcoin halving year 2024, and then September, October, November, they are all positive gain, with November having the highest 37%. Can you guys imagine that? 37% of increment for November, and December we are already in 5%. If you look at previous halving year, okay, 2020 and 2016, it's all green. Okay, if the first 3 months, September, October, November, is green, which is the positive gain, December, yeah, usually green. And what's my price target for Bitcoin? If you guys can see over here, this is the Bitcoin rainbow wave indicator, and it perfectly identify local cycle bottom and cycle top. Okay, we are now at the fourth cycle. If you guys don't know about that, Bitcoin halving have every 4 years. Okay, Bitcoin half every 4 years, and right now we are at the halving year. This is the bottom, and this is the top. If you guys can look at previous cycle, bottom here, top here, bottom here, top here, it successfully predicts every cycle top and bottom, right? This indicator is very good. Bitcoin rainbow wave. If you guys can go and click on it, and by looking at this indicator, we can know what's the Bitcoin cycle right now. Okay, what's the price target from this indicator? And it shows around 180 to 250, somewhere around there. So we'll look into it. But right now, we are still long way to go. Okay, we are still long way to go. And you guys can see over here, we are now over at this point right here. You can see this curve, this point right here, and Bitcoin usually follow the previous cycle. And if you go to look at previous cycle, you can see right about here, okay, Bitcoin is repeating his story, guys. Okay, so the price action, this is a price actions that it range for a little bit until it goes continue the uptrend. Okay, if you guys can see that, if we were to go back to the area right now, we are doing the exact same thing. Okay, the Bitcoin range a bit after a long pull of expansion right here when Trump's win. Okay, Trump's won the elections, it pumps immediately, and then we have some action over here. Okay, retail money been taking profits, smart money been accumulating, and right now we have some ranging over here. Then we're gonna continue the trends. Okay, we're gonna continue the trend all the way for months until reaching the cycle top. If you guys were to look at the previous history, right, it's the same thing, guys. It's exactly the same thing. You're gonna range, you're gonna expand. You're gonna range, you're gonna expand. Then we're gonna range, and then we're gonna expand all the way until the cycle top, just like that. And when they range, every time when Bitcoin's range, it's the best opportunity to buy altcoin. As we all know, we want out season. So let's look at out season right now. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, as shown here, I already charted out, right? Charted out. This is the Bitcoin dominance top. Okay, Bitcoin's top around here, about 60%. Then out season started. Okay, money start to flow to altcoin, hence the crash over here. Obviously, we have a correction at this week. Okay, and this week, right, which is the Thursday, Wednesday, Bitcoins have a slight retracement, but all the altcoin actually drops heavily. That's why you can see they have a spike upwards for the Bitcoin dominance. Then we're gonna retrace back. So we can buy cheap altcoin here, guys. If you guys manage to buy cheap altcoin here, all the best and congratulations. And then we'll continue with the out season. Okay, Bitcoin dominance will crash downwards and back to this ranging cycle top, right? So if you look at others, okay, the others total two, excluding Bitcoin, right? Market cap excluding Bitcoin, we are now facing a resistance. Okay, we are now facing a resistance, hence the drop over here. Can you guys look at that? We are facing the resistance of the previous cycle top. Then we have a retracement. Like, look at this beautiful retracement. Hope you guys buy cheap altcoin, and everybody bought the dips and push the price back upwards, guys. Okay, push the price back outwards. And if we were to break out this resistance, we test back the resistance flip support line, and we can continue the out season, guys. We can continue the out season. And if you look at, okay, total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we already broke the resistance, guys. We already broke the resistance, and we are now retesting the support flip resistance. Okay, if you were to look at, let's say, Ethereum, right? Ethereum is beautiful this cycle, very beautiful. Ethereum just broke this downwards trend. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and it's about to close in 1 day and 18 hours. If it were to close again above this downwards trend, Ethereum's high upwards momentum is very strong. Okay, I'm heavily invested in Ethereum. As you can see, right? If we were to break this, the next psychological level will be the resistance over here. Then we're gonna break this all-time high resistance, which is around the 5,000 resistance level, right? 5,000 resistance and psychological level, and we're gonna break that. We're gonna go to 6,000 psychological level, and upwards we go. Okay, so out seasons is finally here, guys. It's already in, it's already here. I hope you guys managed to buy cheap altcoin. For example, like Solana. Okay, beautiful retracement, right? Beautiful retracement for Solana at 200. Look at that, almost reaching price 200. And then all the smart money starts to buy here. If you guys manage to accumulate cheap Solana from the price here, right? Congratulations. Okay, it's gonna break out this resistance again. Look at that, guys. It's always like this. Everybody takes profit at the previous top. Okay, everybody takes profit at the previous top, hence the price goes downwards. Then everybody gonna buy from the previous resistance flip support over here and pushes the price upwards. It's just like clockwork, guys. Just like clockwork if you understand the market well. Okay, LTC performing very well in this cycle as well. Breaks out this ranging, okay, 4 years ranging period. Look at that, guys. 4 years of ranging, and then it broke out this high right here. We test the resistance flip support area and push it the price upwards again. Obviously, but still far from the previous cycle top, guys. Litecoin, okay, Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum is my top picks of altcoin right here. Of course, we have a lot of others altcoin as shown over here. I'm not gonna go through them. There's so many of them. Okay, XRP are doing very well also. Okay, if you manage to buy cheap, okay, cheap at this previous resistance flip support. Always look at the previous resistance flip support, guys. If you guys want to know when should you accumulate, right? Always it's already too late. But if you were to buy at every resistance flip support area during the dip, you guys are already in profit, right? Beautiful right here, right? Everything's so beautiful. We have Dogecoin right here as well. Again, a resistance flip support over here, right around this area. So if you manage to buy cheap, it's still goes upwards. And we are not even challenging the previous cycle top. The previous cycle top 0.7, we're not there yet, guys. We're even not there yet. So much room to grow for Dogecoin as well as Pepe, a new coin in this cycle. Okay, it's the second biggest meme coin right there. Obviously, we got a lot of coins that I'm not going to show in this video, but all you have to do right now and now understand is that we are still far from the cycle top, guys. Still far from the cycle top. This indicator never fails, right? It never fails. I hope this cycle it doesn't fail yet, and then we still have much room to grow. Trump is not even in the office. I'm very extremely bullish in Bitcoin. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen in the second half of December. We're able to see even more gains. Okay, you know what? My predictions. Okay, my predictions. It's gonna be a slightly similar gains from with the November. Right, November have 37 gains. December, I believe it's gonna be similar because if you look at all the previous one, okay, 2020, 42% for November, 46% for December. Very good. Okay, 2016, okay, 5% and 30%. Look at that. It's always quite similar, guys. The momentum from the previous month, you always bring forward to this month. Okay, so that's how you can see the beauty of Bitcoin. Right, I'll see you in the next video, which I'm going to talk about Bitcoin again. I'll see you next week. Peace.